Hello ladies, today I will show you how to make a pizza base in home. Okay, it's a very easy and a simple process. What we have to do, I'll tell you, and first of all I'll tell you the ingredients what we gonna use for making pizza dough. Okay, so it's a full bowl flour what we use for making a dough in a home. Okay, this is refined oil. Okay, this is sugar, this is salt, and this is baking powder. And the most important thing that we use for making base is yeast. Okay, it is a dry yeast. You can take it from a market. So what we have to do, we'll have to take a bowl. Fine. In a bowl, we'll put all the flour, okay, here in the bowl. Okay, we'll put some oil. You can use any oil, whichever you use for your cooking. I use refined oil. Anyone can use olive oil also. You can use 2 to 3 spoons of oil in a 1 bowl of flour. Okay, after that, use baking powder. 1 spoon, 1 large spoon. Okay, spread it all over. Sugar, just to make a pizza a little bit sweet. Okay, whenever you taste a pizza, it's a kind of a little sweet taste in it. Okay, so 1 spoon and a half spoon. It's more than enough for that. Okay, and use yeast. Yeast we use in a more quantity. You can use a 1 spoon of yeast, but not more than that. This is salt. Salt we will use in last. Okay, fine. So pour the water. Make it a dough. You have a habitual of making chapatis in your home, so you must be aware of how to make a dough. So rather from purchasing a dough outside, we'll make it in our home. Some ladies who don't know where to go, where to find the dough, not the dough, base. So it's very difficult to find out a base in a market. And it's not a kind of thing that we can purchase online also. Fine. So we'll mash it very properly, very clearly and very neatly also, so that everything will be mixed in a bowl. Somewhere people use machines also for making a dough, but I preferably use my hand for making this. You can see here you can see it's a very small in size, but after this, using yeast and baking powder, this dough will become thrice in a size of this. Make it very, very, very smooth. Okay, so we need to just mess it. Okay. Now what we do, we use a pinch of salt in this part of dough. Now again mix it well. Some people use honey also for making it sweet, but in my base I'm using sugar. Okay, so here my dough is ready. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to keep this dough for 4 hours in a bowl and keep it in a warm place. Okay, and how we have to keep it, we put this, we have to cover this bowl and press it very tightly. keep it in a warm place. I'll tell you where is the warm place in a winter season or any kind. Like you can keep it in a your almirah. You can cover it with a sweater or shawl and keep it in an almirah. It will hardly take 3 hours to become a soft dough. Okay, I'll take this bowl and I'll keep it here aside, and after the 4 hours the dough will become like this. I have prepared it previously. You can see here it's a dough. It's a very soft dough. See, it's a very soft. After 4 hours it become like this. It will be very fluffy. It will be the same base you purchase outside the market. So what we do, we have to take a microwave plate. Okay, now I'll tell you what to do. How to shape up the base. Take the refined oil or olive oil and spread it all over on the microwave plate, which is used for your pizza, for making pizza base or for making pizza also. Smoothly take out this dough in the plate. Here you can see it's very smooth. So do it like this. Make it a ball. A round ball. Make it a ball and do it like this. Do it like this until it will become a circle. Okay. Press it. Some people don't use their hand to spread this, but I preferably use, because hand is fine. It will tell you how much quantity or how to spread this base. It will totally depends upon your hand. So I'll spread it like this. Okay, fine. So your base is now ready. Your base is now ready. What you have to do, if you want to make your pizza, do it, spread dhania leaves. Okay, it will enhance the taste of your base. I mean, the thing which I used to experiment in my home, I am also telling you through this video also. It will enhance the base of pizza, and bake it before making a pizza. This is my base, homemade base of a pizza. Thanks for watching my video.